What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up, YouTube viewers across the globe? Yeah, today we on another video for you guys. Quick banger clip for you guys on the number 3. Number 3, the third dangerous hoods in Philadelphia. And we about to take y'all on the bird tour right with it, right through that dangerous zone. So we gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. Let's get started. We out in effect, y'all. Tell me what y'all think, man. We got a little shopping zone here. Little shop where, that shopping strip. We got seafood. We got the H&R Block. Yeah. Hey, yo, y'all. This is one of y'all dangerous zones, man. Just not too long ago, it was like a couple individuals. They were shot due to violence. Yeah, due to violence, y'all. We got the Bank of America. And the violence was brought up right in this area. Just decided I'd take you guys through so you guys get a quick idea of what it's like in your Broad Street and Ave Olney, y'all, area. Danger zone. Yeah, we hear that a lot. You hear that? We hear that a lot. One real person tell it to another, as we imply, be safe. It's a farewell gesture. But yeah, we definitely in y'all zone. We got Dunkin' Donuts. We got the Sector Transportation Center across the street. We by Park Avenue. I know y'all heard that. Danny's Bars and Perks. We by 13th Street. We by 12th Street. About to take a short cut through this road that they closed down due to construction. But we in the scooter, so we shouldn't hurt nothing. We shouldn't hurt too much. Cosmic Street, you know what I mean? We had Cosmic. True Avenue. We right here by True Avenue.